Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie smoke for me.
What is up, guys? It is Fink29 here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing my brand new Redline 27.5. As you guys can see right here, I've already put some stuff on it, so it's not completely stock. But straight off the bat, I'm gonna say it rides way smoother than my other bike, and way heavier than my other bike, because I am rocking 3.0 beast mode tires. And really, I'm gonna just review it real quick, like say what I like about it, what I dislike about it. Since I'm a young person, and since this is like a older bike, like more old people ride it, I'm gonna say off the bat, I don't like how long the cranks are. It just looks too extended. And also, I don't like how small the seat is. So I'll be slipping off sometimes. And really, that's really all I gotta say about it, since it's not actually stock right now, because I made it my own liking. And also I gotta say, the stock handlebars I don't like, because unlike these, it's not straight across. There's a little dip right here. So I'll just say that I don't like that either. That's why I put the SC honking bars on them. But really, other than that, I'm gonna just show you what I did to the bike, and then we're gonna go ride around the city real quick. But also keep in mind that it is windy outside, so might not be tip-top shape. So yeah.
Anabolic beats.
All right, guys. That's the end of this video. My GoPro's about to die. Please like, comment, subscribe, see more content, and see you in the next one. Peace out.